So you're living near Merimbula and you've got plants growing out of the guttering. You're going to need to get your gutters clean. And I'm going to give you a quick elevator pitch as to why you should consider using our services to clean your gutters or get Gutter Guard installed. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you need to consider using our gutter cleaning services. First reason, gutter rinsing. Second, experience. Third, checking the downpipes. When it comes to Gutter Guard, all of those 3 apply, plus we take our time and make sure that there's no gaps. Gutter rinsing, why is gutter rinsing important? Even if you get them vacuumed out, there's a small amount left, it needs to all get rinsed out, guys. If you leave that small little piece there, the water's going to gang up there and accelerate the rust of the guttering. You need to make sure with every clean that your gutters get rinsed out, because it extends the life of your guttering. Also, by rinsing, you can identify if there's any issues with the guttering. So if you have slope issues, if there's leaks in the guttering, you'll be able to detect that by running water through the guttering. And guess what? By running water through the guttering, you can also identify whether your downpipes are blocked or not. So let's talk about the downpipes. If you're paying to get your gutters cleaned and you don't clear the downpipes, you might as well have just slipped that money down the actual downpipe. If the downpipes are blocked, the water will backflow into the ceiling, or it's going to just the gutters will start overflowing, which will mess up all the landscaping. The waters will go into the foundation. Guys, you need to control the water that comes from your roof, and the most essential part of gutter cleaning is clearing the downpipes. Experience kind of speaks for itself, but what can it give you? A very good roof report. I've been doing this for over a decade. I can look at any roof and just go, all right, you're going to have issues with blah, 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 blah. Because I've done this so many times, I've seen the situation over 1,000 times. With experience comes with the abilities to how to control the ladder, how to access all kinds of different types of roofs, how to use a harness. The minimum charge for any gutter clean is $250 including of GST. The most we usually charge for a single story house is $400 including GST. The reasons why it would go more than $400, that is because if you had Gutter Guard installed and it got sold to you incorrectly, saying that you never have to clean your gutters again, which is a big fib. We have to come and unscrew the Gutter Guard, clean underneath, put it all back together. It takes an entire day, usually between 8 and 10 hours. Our quotes are usually $850 including GST to perform that service. It's a hell of a service, and it takes all day to rectify all the problems from poor installation or poor salesmanship. Double stories is also where it starts to get a bit complicated. Double stories, hey, sometimes it could be 250, but sometimes they can go all the way up to 600. Steep pitch, all kinds of weird access. We can't set up a harness anywhere, it's too steep. The price for Gutter Guard starting from $36 including GST per linear meter, and for a valley starting from $44 including GST per meter. That is middle of the line pricing. Your builders will probably be charging you, I don't know, if they dream up some seriously cool pricing, I'll get higher than $50, $60 per meter. But you can get the cheaps that'll come in for $25, $27 a meter, something like that. But that's going to be a rush job. You'll be like, wow, you guys did it nice and fast, and might look good from the ground, but there'll be gaps. If you're thinking of getting Gutter Guard and thinking of getting it cheap, rather just take some time out and go think of your favorite charity, whatever is close to your heart. Rather take that $3 grand and give it to that charity, rather than getting your Gutter Guard installed incorrectly. Okay, so another big question is how do we clean the gutters? I'll tell you, we've got a simple ancient method that we have used for centuries, and that is, I'm sitting on it actually, a simple hand and a bucket method, guys. Yeah, it works every time. It's guaranteed we'll be able to come to your house, look at your guttering and go, all right, this is the price, I can do it for you right now. I don't have to come and then bring industrial vacuums and big blowers and make a big noise and get what do they call them, pressure washers or anything like that. The vacuums, often their pipes don't fit into the actual guttering. They're then dragging this big pipes and things all around the roof. Especially if you've got a tiled roof, you don't want people dragging heavy industrial hoses around on the roof. We like to keep things simple, and we like to be able to arrive at a job and do the job. We don't want to drive all the way to your house and go, oh, well, we can't do it because of X, Y, Z, because our machine can't fit through, the pipes don't fit through here, and we can't drag the pipe around to the other side of the house here. Look, so long as I got my hands and a bucket, I can clean your gutters, guys. And little extras with the service, the main thing is, guys, gutter cleaning can get messy, and we clean up the mess. Our benchmark is to leave your property cleaner than the state that it was in when we arrived. We don't want to give you extra work of washing down the gutters and cleaning up pathways, we make sure that all the mess is cleaned up. You don't trust us? Well, we provide photographs with every single job showing every single clean gutter. So you can actually just rest knowing that your gutters got cleaned, the job was done properly, rather than paying all the money and you could hear them doing something on the roof. I don't know what they were doing there. You'd be able to rest easy knowing that the job was completed. And guys, you don't have to worry whether we can serve your house. We've got quite a big range that we work from. Being a specialist gutter cleaner in these rural areas means we need to travel. All you have to do is give us a call, 0470 250 245. If you don't want to call us, you can just quickly scroll down the screen or click on one of the buttons. It'll take you to the form. All we need is your name and your phone number. If you want, you can give us your address and email address and everything else, but we don't really need that. All we need is to get you on the phone and we can set everything up from there. Also, you can send us SMS or send us an email. The email address is here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We've also got lots of videos on the website. If you want to learn more about us, just scroll down the screen and you will get to find all the different topics regarding gutter cleaning, gutter guard installation. All right, have a great day. See you later.